The Election Commission has tightened the implementation of the Special Intensive Revision of Electoral Rolls in Karnataka after complaints that booth-level officers were not conducting door-to-door verification as mandated. Karnataka Chief Electoral Officer V. Anbukumar has directed all district election officers to ensure that BLOs visit every household and distribute enumeration forms strictly as per Election Commission guidelines. The order came after complaints that forms were being distributed from offices and other locations instead of thorough house-to-house visits. He also asked officials to publicize voter facilitation centers for people who need help filling the forms. Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy alleged that the SIR process was being carried out in violation of Election Commission norms. Releasing videos from Ramanagara and Kunigal, he claimed that voters were being gathered at community halls instead of BLOs visiting homes. He accused the Congress of influencing the process. In Kolar, there were several temporary verification camps operating from community spaces, including Anganwadi centers, temple premises and near mosques, where multiple BLOs were updating voter details. Kolar Deputy Commissioner Dr. Ravi M.R. has, however, instructed officials to strictly follow the Election Commission's door-to-door verification guidelines. Meanwhile, the BJP also alleged that the exercise was being misused. State BJP President B. Y. Vijendra claimed BLOs were being made to conduct the process from mosques under political pressure. Leader of opposition R. Ashoka also targeted the Congress government, alleging that illegal Bangladeshi immigrants were being added to the voter list through such camps. He claimed similar camps were functioning in parts of Bengaluru and said the BJP would take the matter to the Election Commission. The house-to-house verification, which began on June 30th, will continue to July 29th as part of the Election Commission's voter roll revision exercise. The Election Commission, however, has maintained that the SIR process must be carried out through house-to-house verification with facilitation centers available only to assist voters who require help.